You can make money online with the amazing strategy I'm about to reveal to you right now, as you can use this strategy to go into making some cool cash with CPA Grip. And I've never shown you guys this strategy before because we're going to be leveraging an amazing tool that is powered by AI, which is this tool right here, which is called the Gamma app. And this particular platform right here is actually going to go on to helping us get better conversions to our offers right now. And you want to just simply stick on to watch this video right here, because this is going to be a strategy which you've not seen before right now. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. But before we do that, guys, it is quite important that you do know that I post videos each and every single day about ways which you could go on to making money online with either CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other strategies right there that you could make money online with other various platforms. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to also get alerted whenever I release other amazing strategies that could help you boost your income online. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, what you want to get done is to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform like the CPA Grip right now. If you do come onto this platform called CPA Grip, guys, you want to just simply go on to clicking on this register icon. If you do click on that, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you just need to go on to providing your basic details like your first name, your last name. You can skip out all other sections without the red asterisk sign which you can see right now. So fill out all the fields right there, agree to the terms of service like I am doing right now, and get your account created. Once you do get your account created, go on to logging into your account. Right now you can see I'm logged back into my account. You want to come onto this page right here by going onto this section which says offer tools. If you do select offer tools, select the my offers, you should be brought to this page right now. You want to filter your offers to get offers from countries like the United States. And basically what you want to do is to select a kind of cool offers right now that are actually kind of similar, because we're going to be using about 2, 3, 4 offers right here for this particular strategy. So make sure you go on to selecting similar kinds of offers right now. And these are actually a very cool kind of offer. As you can see right now, for this offer is a giveaway offer right now, which is actually giving out about $4,500 in cash right now. It's a desktop offer, an email and zip submit offer, and you do have a payout of $1.02. You can actually go on to scrolling through. You can see much more other kinds of giveaway offers right now. So focus on all kinds of offers that are kind of similar right now and go on to promoting that. What you want to do right now is to just simply copy the link to this offer. And if you do copy the link, we're going to utilize this platform right here called the Gamma.app to go on to creating a simple and amazing landing page. Because this platform is powered by AI, it's going to be an amazing one right now. You just need to come onto this particular platform right here and sign up for free. It's quite free to sign up. You can sign up for free, but they do have some pricing plans. If you want to know more about that, click on pricing. It's going to take you to that page right there. You want to then just simply sign up and go onto the template section. If you do go to the template section, you'll be able to see lots of templates you could go on to utilizing right now. Supposing I want to use one of these templates, maybe this one, I could just simply click on view template or use template. You could preview the template before actually go on to using that right there. As you can see, there's a preview icon for you to go on to clicking to preview that template. But once you actually do select that template right here, guys, the page is actually going to go on to loading up right there. You can actually begin your tour right now. As you can see, the page is still loading up. I'm just going to go on to canceling this tour right here to close the tour. As you can see right now, what you want to do right here is to actually give this section a very cool title right now. If you just want to come right here, highlight this particular text, and you can go on to changing this to a very cool title. I'm going to change it to something like get the best giveaway offer. So if I put in something like this which says get the best giveaway offers right now, I can just simply go on to deleting this section if I want to, or I can just simply leave that as it is right here. But for these guys, I'm just going to go on to deleting this section because I don't actually have anything I want to type in that section. So right here, I actually inserted something like all websites updated for November 2023, try them all. And you want to centralize this also, as you can see how this looks like right here. Now in this section, all you need to do right now is to actually go on to editing this section to fit into that particular CPA marketing offer you want to promote. You want to just simply get back to the CPA marketing platform. And I'm just going to come right here, guys. For this right here, I'm just going to go on to copying this particular title right now. If I do copy this title, I'm going to head back to this section. And right here guys, I'm just going to go on to pasting that in this section. So if I come right here, paste that in, you can see how it looks like right now. What I'm going to do right here is just to go on to copy in the description, since I don't have a description right now and I don't want to waste much of our time to go on to generating a description for the video right now. All you need to do is to just simply come right here, paste in that right now. As you can see, this has actually been pasted. You can then just simply go on to add in an image right now for this section. So you can just simply click on this section, click on image, and you can just simply go on to add in an image. You can just simply drop this list right here, and you could upload an image from a URL right now. You could use a web image search, or you could just simply go on to selecting any one of these options right now. Suppose I want to just simply upload right now. I'm just going to go onto this platform, download this particular image right now by just simply clicking on save image as, and I can then just simply save the image on my device, head back to that platform right here, and go on to uploading that right now. So I'm just going to click on upload or URL right now. I'm just going to click on replace image right now. As you can see right here, I can actually use the URL or upload right here. So I'm just going to click on upload, go on to selecting that particular image from my device. As you can see, the image has actually been selected from my device right now. You can see right here that it's not, I can actually go on to editing this section right here by moving this right now to somewhere like this right here. So I'm going to make this actually look quite better right now. So I can go on to changing the focus point right here to actually take the focus point to somewhere like here or like here, or make sure that you actually do put a cool focus point right now. Once this is done right here, you want to just simply scroll through right here, and you can just simply put in something like click here right now. If I do come right here and put in something like click here or claim now. So right now you want to just simply highlight this right here. You can see right here that there's a link icon right here. Click on the link icon, and you want to head back to your CPA marketing offer. Copy the link right now, head back to the platform, paste that in this section. And right now, for any person that actually do go to clicking on this section which says claim now, it's going to take them to your CPA marketing offer for them to complete. What you want to do right now is to do something similar right now for this page right here. I can actually go on to duplicating this exact same page right now. Maybe if I do come right here guys, I can just simply come right here, click on this particular icon, and you want to click on the two section right here, which is the accent right, to actually get something quite similar to this right now. So if you could do that right here, maybe I'm just going to go on to dragging that right now, and this is it right here. You want to just simply do something similar for another CPA marketing offer. So I'm going to select another one right here, which is actually this one right now. What I'm going to do is to actually copy the image address. If I copy the image address, head back to this platform, select the image right now, and actually go on to uploading an image right here while clicking on this section right here. If I do that, I'm just going to paste in the image address, and the image has been uploaded. I'm just going to come back to that particular offer, copy the title to the offer and also the description. If I copy the title, come back to this section and go on to changing the title right here, as you can see right now. So you also want to go back there, copy the description, and do quite a similar thing right now to what we actually did in the first offer right here. And if you do this right here, paste this in this section, you can see how it's going to look right now. I'm just going to go on to stretching this for the image to actually go on to showing quite better. And this is how okay it actually looks like right now. You could actually go on to deleting other sections right here. So I'm just going to delete other sections right now, so as not to make the video quite long. You can actually add as many offers as you want right now to this, and go on to making or promoting multiple CPA marketing offers right now. Once you're done, you want to just simply come right here. So once you do come right here, click on share. You want to click on share publicly right now. You want to turn this section which says public access on. If you do turn that on, you can actually go on to copying the link right now and go on to promoting this. Now what you want to do next, because you've created a cool landing page right here, is to actually go on to platforms like TikTok and focus on the make money online right here. You can actually go on to focusing on accounts that are actually going on to getting lots of engagement right now. This is a very cool account right now. You want to just simply utilize this particular platform right here to get cool and valuable content you can utilize to go on to making some cool cash online. As you can see, this video right here actually got about 78,000 views right now. All you need to do is to actually right click on the image or on the video right now. Maybe I'm just going to select the video right here. If I just select the video, you can go on to sharing the video right now by clicking on this share right there. or you can actually go on to getting a link to this particular video. As you can see, this is the link right now. Copy the link. When the link has been copied, you want to just simply head on to Google and search for the TikTok video downloader. You can see this option right here. Select that. It's going to lead you to this page. Just simply go on to pasting in that particular link, click on enter, and it's actually going to help you go on to getting that particular video right here for you to go on to downloading that.
Side hustle update for the month of August, and I'm gonna get a bit personal in this one.
So guys, once you're able to download that video, all you need to do is to head onto this platform right here called Pinterest. While on Pinterest, you want to click on this home feed, click on create pin, and go on to creating a cool and amazing pin for this particular video right now, which you actually got from TikTok. Now supposing guys, this is actually the video. Supposing this is the video right now, all you need to do is to just simply put in a very cool title, and in the description right here you want to type in something like the best way to make 5k online. Check out the description for a gift. And if you put in something like this, you want to add in your link to your landing page right here in this section, and go on to publishing this right here on this section. And you can also come right here to your profile right here. If you do go on to selecting your profile right now in this particular section, you also want to just simply edit your profile and make sure that that particular link to that CPA marketing offers or your landing page you are promoting is available on your profile by pasting that in this particular section. So you want to paste that link right here in this section and utilize this strategy to go on to making money online. Because since you're actually using a viral video right here on TikTok, there's a high possibility and probability that video is also going to go on to get into a lot of attention on this platform called Pinterest, and you can actually go on to start making money online with this strategy. This is an amazing strategy. I advise you go on to following right now and make some cool cash online. If the video added any form of value to you, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.